Ito ang Byahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi my love, back with me DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Derecho. And now it's time para pagbigyan ng ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Mga kabisya nating naliligaw ng landas, ililigaw natin sila lalo. So eto na nga, this one was sent to us over sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. So eto na nga po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Eli. Feeling ko Eli to, pero gusto ko maging social, so Eli. So itago niyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Eli. May jowa po ako. Long distance relationship po kami. DJ Lala, I love him. Pero nung may nakilala ako sa pinagtatrabahuhan ko ngayon, everything has changed. Hindi po siya lalaki, babae po. Bisexual po siya. Dati po, hindi talaga ako na-attract sa mga bisexual. Not until I met her. She made me feel loved and cared. She's sweet and charming. Pinaparamdam niya kasi sa akin that she likes me. Hanggang sa nahulog na din ako sa kanya. Alam ko pong mali kasi may jowa po ako. May jowa na din siya. Iniiwasan ko pong lalo akong mahulog sa kanya pero ang hirap ate. Umabot na ako sa point na nawawalan na ako ng gana sa jowa ko. Na parang unti-unti nang nababawasan yung pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Now, nalilito na po ako ate. I really don't know what to do. Tulungan mo po sana ako. Thank you and more power to your show. Yan na! Ito na nga ba sinasabi natin? Alam mo, kasi if, paano ko ba ito i-explain? Ganito, no? Siyempre, if bisexual siya, female din siya, kumbaga na-attract siya, I don't know if this is exactly what it means kasi medyo some kind nagulo ko sa terminologies and I don't wanna get it wrong. Pero correct me if I'm wrong sa interpretation ko of it. But when you say bisexual, it means na-attract ka to both genders. Tama? Na-attract ka sa boys, na-attract ka sa girls. And dahil tayo mga girls, innate sa atin kasi yung pagiging malambing. Innate sa atin yung nature of pagiging caring, maalaga. Innate yan sa atin eh. And syempre dahil babae ka, you know what will make a girl or a fellow girl happy. Kumbaga alam mo yung mga kilite ng kapwa mo babae. Alam mo yung mga karakas sa mga kapwa mo babae. Alam mo yung magpapakilig sa kanila, yung magpapahulog ng loob nila, yung bigay sa kanila ng ganitong klaseng reaction. Oh, that's so sweet. O, di ba? Alam mo yan eh. Alam mo yung kada kanto niyan kasi you do know that it will also make you happy. So, feeling ko, the reason as to why you find her charming, you find her sweet, you find her caring, you find her thoughtful. Kasi my love, she knows exactly what to do. That's the difference. Pero, hindi naman sa sinasabi ko na lahat ng pinapakita niya sa'yo ay peke. I'm just saying that she knows exactly what to do in order to make you fall. Pero that doesn't erase the idea na fini-flirt ka pa rin niya even when in a relationship na siya. That doesn't erase the fact na yung babaeng yan na nagpapahulog ng loob mo, na nagpapa-fall sa'yo, ay cheater din. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? Do you see the pattern I'm trying to picture out right now? This girl knows exactly how to woo you. And ginagamit niya yung advantage na yon para mag-cheat sa partner niya. So, for the lack of better term, to make the long story short, the cheater knows what to do in order to make you fall. Kasi it doesn't have to take much, or hindi niya kailangan gumawa ng sobrang grand to do that to you, kasi alam niyang well in fact na malayo sa iyo yung jowa mo. So anything na ipapakita niya sa iyo that exhibits kindness, sweetness, romantic, will eventually make you fall. Ito ay hustler na klase ng cheater, regardless of her gender, or gender orientation, or gender preference, whatever you might want to call it. This cheater is a hustler type of cheater. Naintindihan mo ako, mahal ko? So, ganito na lang, my love. If I were you, if you really wanna gauge kung sino talaga yung mas gusto mo, kung sino yung mas mahal mo, regardless, or iisantabi na natin yung konsepto ng right and wrong, doon na lang tayo sa konsepto of what will make you happy. Kasi at the end of the day, it's still your decision, your life, and you'll always go for what makes you happy. So, gawin na lang natin yung road to your happiness a little bit right. Kasi it's wrong in every angle, in every form, mali na siya eh. So, gawin na lang natin siyang medyo some kind of right, okay? I want you to stop a little. Put a pause on both ends. Put a pause sa both side. Put a pause dyan sa relationship mo na LDR. Put a pause dyan sa relationship mong short distance, and then you guys are actually cheating. Put a pause on both side. Give yourself some time. Kasi my love, right now, you are lonely. 'Di ba? Nagki-crave ka for those kinds of things na ibinibigay sa iyo ng someone na malapit sa iyo. Because hindi mo siya maranasan dun sa taong malayo sa iyo. Andun yung intention to be loyal, andun yung intention to be faithful. But you have your needs, and nobody will question that. But as much as others would want to understand that, yung pag-cheat kasi will never be enough, will never be acceptable. Kahit pa ang excuse mo o ang reason mo is because malayo kasi siya, gusto kong maramdaman itong mga feeling na to at itong taong to malapit sa akin, so sa kanya ko kinukuha. So put a pause to everything. Bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng individuality, ng freedom on your own. Just do the things that will make you happy and can clear your mind. I don't know kung mag-travel ka on your own, travel ka with your friends, go to the beach together with your family, kasi kapag together with your family kasi walang talks yan about relationship, so you are alone with your own thoughts. Saka mo mas nakiklear yung isip mo kasi meron kang me time. Pagkasama kasi yung friends, ang daming ang daming kuda, ang daming yaw-yaw, ang daming mga opinion, so kumbaga, lahat ng kaibigan mo may ambag sa magiging decision mo. But when it comes to family outing, family travel, and all that jazz, nahihiya ka mag-open up ng emotions mo, nahihiya ka mag-open up ng challenges mo, ng troubles mo. So, yung mga alone time mo sa beach, you are alone with your own thoughts. Listening to music, jotting down whatever it is in your head, at dun mo nakikita na ito pala yung mga thoughts ko. Thoughts that I've been keeping to myself, that I wanna tell nobody else but myself. So that you can read it again. O diba? Para marinig mo yung sarili mong thoughts this time around, and you can decide which way to choose. The other, yung long distance relationship, yung hard one, pero kapag nalagpasan mo, I think it's gonna be worth it. Or yung other one na medyo some kind na kailangan nyo straighten out yung mga curves and whatnot, yung mga gusot-gusot, kasi pareho kayo in a relationship, may mga i-iron out kayo. But then again, if ang magpapasaya sa isa't isa ay yung isa't isa, diba? The heart wants what the heart wants. Pero at least you choose a side. You choose a side, then you address the problem. Either way, meron kasi my love. Either way, may challenge. Kasi kapag pinili mo yung long distance relationship, you have to be truthful. Be honest to that man. That there was a time that you were weak, na naging mahina ka. You chose to fight. You won the fight. But then again, you want to come clean. Why? So that your partner will realize na I have to do something more dito sa babaeng to in order to make this work. Or kahit paano mabigyan siya ng opportunity to think if gusto niya pa bang ituloy yung relationship niyo o hindi. So, may problema sa kabila. Sa kabila, yun nga. Both of you would have to say goodbye sa mga current relationships ninyo. Give it time to rest. Give them a decent amount of time. Respect the relationship na pinutol ninyo. And then you guys can be together. And then wish na sana along the way, no one will come in between you guys. Katulad na nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So, I just want you to have a time for yourself to think. Nang wala ka muna sigurong pagsasabihan, not until you're ready na mag-open up sa kanilang dalawa. For now, give yourself that time. Ibigay mo na yan sa sarili mo. Tandaan mo, sabi ko nga sa'yo, iniisang tabi ko na yung salitang tama at mali. This time around, I'm just gunning for your happiness. I want you to be truly happy. Kasi even when you are doing something wrong, that doesn't mean you are a bad person. Na masama kang tao. You are just a weak person put in a very difficult position. And now you are being tested. That's why isineset aside natin yung konsepto ng tama at mali kasi gusto kong maging masaya ka. So bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng panahon para makapag-isip. Huwag mong madaliin. Huwag mong namnamin yung sarap ng both side. Kasi that will be unfair. And that will be even harder the longer you keep it that way. So give yourself some time, think, and then choose. And when you do, kapag pinili mo yung isang road, forget about the other and just face the consequences that comes along with it. Pero again, my love, I want you to be cautious. Gusto kitang maging maingat in the future. Kapag pumasok ka sa isang relasyon, lagay mo sa kokote mo, lagay mo sa isip mo na there are certain things na hindi dahil ginusto mo, makukuha mo. Hindi dahil ginusto mo ngayon, darating sa'yo ngayon. You have to be patient. You have to be strong, mentally, emotionally, physically, to sustain that relationship. Walang relationship na smooth sailing. LDR man yan o malapitan, walang relationship na smooth sailing. Laging merong problema. Ang tanong, matibay na ba yung pundasyon ninyo to withstand yung challenges that will come your way? Pag meron ka mga needs, pag meron ka mga pangangailangan, be open, be vocal sa mga kailangan mo so that the partner can do something about it. Para hindi mo na gagawin yung rason kapag nakakita ka nun sa ibang tao, sasabihin mo sa partner mo, kasi yung taong yun laging nandyan kasi yung taong yun thoughtful, romantic, ikaw hindi. If you want someone who is romantic, but you love the person you are with and that person is not romantic, then be vocal about it. Sabihin mo, alam kong hindi ka romantic, but I want you to try. I want you to try to be romantic to me because I want. Because kahit papano, gusto ko maramdaman yung kilig. Even when ilang months na tayo together, even when ilang years na tayo together. Be vocal about what you want kasi yung mga partners ninyo, hindi naman sila manghuhula Hindi nila pwedeng hulaan kung ano yung trip ninyo sa buhay. Kung kayo ay two consenting adults in a relationship, then just be vocal about what you want. So that your partner can give it to you. Hindi lahat ng partner equipped with, alam mo yon, cookie cutter type ng personality na sobrang sweet, sobrang expressive. Makakatagpo talaga kayo ng mga taong hindi May mga tao talagang tuod. mga stick ang titigas. May mga taong ganyan. And if you really want to get something out of them, you have to shake them. Pero you have to choose your partner every single day kasi that is what love really is in a relationship. You are not perfect, so you cannot expect your partner to be perfect. Again, my love, give yourself some time, choose a side, stick to that side, and face the consequence. That's the only thing you can do right now. Pero sana wag mo na uli gawin next time. Tandaan mo, kung ayaw mong gawin yan sa'yo, huwag mong gawin sa iba. Klaro? Klaro. Sabi dito ni Maureen Albania Gira sa ating Facebook Live, agree, wag mong hanapan ng kulang ang partner mo lalo na sa physical touch dahil malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Kaya gising pa ako ngayon kasi iniintay ko siya kasi 5 hour ang time difference namin ng asawa ko sa Saudi. Nasa Saudi kasi siya. O diba? Yung mga ganyang klaseng sacrifices, I'm not saying that Maureen is a perfect partner, that yung asawa ni Maureen is a perfect partner. They are both imperfect, but they are trying to make it work. Kasi they are trying to choose the relationship above anything else. Hindi man madali yung ginagawa nila para sa isa't isa, mas pinipili kasi nila yung isa't isa kaysa sabihin sa mga sarili nilang ang hirap nito or hindi ko na kaya. Kaya pinupush pa nila. Kasi alam nila na at the end of the day, it's better to have someone with you who gives you security than romantic gestures. 'Di ba?